So today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin using Apple Pay. Now we're actually going to be here on our account in real time for Coinbase so you can follow along step by step. Now the first thing we want to do is go to our Bitcoin, and there's a couple different ways. We could either search for Bitcoin, we can probably slide down right over here under prices and see it, or if you already own some, you can go into your portfolio here for your assets and then just click on your Bitcoin. So whichever way gets you to the main page of your Bitcoin, which is this right here, this is going to be the following step we want to get to. So now that we're here in the Bitcoin section, there's of course the buy and sell over here. So if we go ahead and click on buy, that's going to take us to our section over here, and there's going to be the automatic setup for our account on file with the pay with. You can see here we're currently with our Bitcoin. Okay, so let's go ahead and put in a dollar amount. So for our example today, let's go ahead and say we are doing $10 in Bitcoin. And where you see the pay with section over here, we're gonna go ahead and tap on the right hand arrow. And then there's gonna be this new section here that says Apple Pay. Now, one thing to consider here, it says Apple Cash is not supported, but Apple Pay is. So making sure that we have a card on file, which I'll show you at the end of this video on how to do just that. And you can see there are some limits on how much you can transfer over. But what we're going to do is go ahead and click on this. And that's going to go ahead and switch this over to show that we're paying with Apple Pay. We're going to click on review order. And from here, it's going to show us the review, any fees that might be included. And we're going to go ahead and click on buy now. Now, this did bring up our Apple Pay icon over here. Funny enough, it actually did bring up our Apple Cash as the first main option, which was actually telling us that it wasn't possible. So what we want to do is actually go ahead and click this section over here that says change payment method, not the top option over here. So we're going to go ahead and click on change payment method. And this is going to show us all of the cards that we have currently on file with our Apple Pay. Yes, I got a lot of them because that's what I do here for work, but you should usually have like one or two, maybe even a handful of different cards. So choose the one that you want to go ahead and utilize. Now, one real quick caveat here too, I just want to mention is that there is going to be a section that says unavailable for this purchase, and it'll show some of the number of cards you might have. This is typically going to be with credit cards, as most of this needs to be done with a debit card. Now back up here with the debit cards I actually have, we're going to go ahead and click on the one we want to utilize, and that's going to go ahead and change the card that we're going to be getting charged with, and then we can go ahead and double click on the right hand side here to pay. And just like that, our order has been submitted, and we'll get an email once the order status has changed and we are all set. Now, like I mentioned, I want to show you actually how to go and add cards onto your Apple Pay account so you can utilize them right here on Coinbase. We got that video right over here on screen to show you just how to do that.